Before we look at a Zito Disruption Manager itself, it's worth starting with a simple question. Why have we developed it? For many years, the rail industry has been working to improve the quality, consistency, and timeliness of passenger information, particularly when things go wrong. But disruption is not constant. As events happen, their impact can change. This can affect different services and places. As a result, the next steps for both controllers and passengers may be uncertain, particularly early on in an incident. Even if a service leaves on time, unexpected issues can cause delays or cancellations, disrupting travel plans and creating uncertainty further down the line. The people managing the railway and control rooms may understand that developing risk. However, the challenge is turning that operational understanding into useful information for passengers, quickly, consistently, and in the right places. This challenge is part of the wider industry work being undertaken through the Smarter Information, Smarter Journeys program. The program aims to provide clearer and more straightforward information to railway customers in Great Britain. This aims to bring the industry together to improve the information passengers receive, particularly during disruption. Blackbox is proud to be a core software development partner for this initiative. For Blackbox, that led to a very practical question. How can technology make it easier to turn a developing operational situation into coordinated passenger information? That question inspired the creation of our Zito Disruption Manager. It's built on a simple concept. During disruption, sharing passenger information shouldn't complicate the situation for those already handling changes. Our aim is to simplify by showing what's happening, where the impact is, which services might be affected, and what passengers need to know. We integrate this approach using feedback from London North Western and West Midlands Railway's control room staff, turning operational insights into clear passenger information. That's the idea behind a Zito Disruption Manager. Rather than thinking about individual information and actions in isolation, Disruption Manager brings the disruption together in one workspace. The affected locations, the services involved, what we know about the situation, and the information that needs to be communicated can all be considered together. Where appropriate, that information can then pass into the wider rail information ecosystem, including Darwin. This helps the developing operational picture to be reflected in the information passengers receive. Disruption Manager does introduce a new operational tool, but one designed to be intuitive and straightforward to use. By bringing the information needed to manage the customer impact of disruption together in one place, the aim is to make the journey from operational understanding to passenger information simpler, faster, and more consistent. But software like this can't be developed in isolation. The next stage is putting it into the hands of the people who actually manage disruption, understanding how it fits with real operational processes and learning where it can be improved. And that's the purpose of today, to explore a Zito Disruption Manager together, learn from using it, and help shape what comes next.